how to use promo codes on Target app or website. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up your web browser, then tap on the search bar. Now type Target and tap on search. Now open up the first website. Now scroll down and add items to the cart. Now select the item and tap on add to cart. Then tap on add to cart again. Then tap on view cart and check out. Now scroll down. Now under potential savings, next to promo code simply tap on add. Now enter the promo code and tap on add. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.